Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rampetina channel. Today I'm doing an update video on the mood blanket. So today is the 1st of March. So this was yesterday's flower. So yeah, this is the whole of February now. This is it. This is the whole of February's moods. So I started posting this flower every day on my TikTok and one of them kind of blew up. It was on the For You page and so many people asked for a tutorial on the flower. So obviously I was using a pattern and I couldn't, you know, make a tutorial with that pattern, so I decided to come up with my own so that this design is completely mine, so that I can make a tutorial. But you would have seen that anyway because I would have posted the tutorial before this video. So yeah, the tutorial for this flower is now up and how to join them. So that's really exciting. I love it. It looks so cool so far and look at all those different colours in there. So much fun, and I have just filmed a yarn haul from Dara Moores for, you know, some colours for this blanket, so you'll be seeing that next week. But yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, the new design, and you can follow me on TikTok to watch the progress every single day because I am filming myself make each one every single day, and yeah, it's so much fun and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So I also worked out that I can only do 360 days in the blanket. So I finally worked out how big this blanket is going to be. Oh yeah, I have my little note somewhere. So yeah, I will show you what it looks like on my iPad, how I'm laying it all out and crossing off the days. I'll show that in a bit. Yeah, so I can only do 360 days in this blanket so that it's a nice rectangle. So I figured I've got 5 days left over. It will be the last 5 days of January 2022, and I'm thinking maybe just having them loose flowers and hanging them up on my wall. I just had a weird moment then. Yeah, either hanging them up on my wall or joining them all together to make like a little garland thing. I don't know, it might be nice to just have them dotted around my room as like a little reminder. I mean, I'll have a giant blanket at the end of it. Well, it's not going to be too big actually. Yeah, so I worked out it's going to be 46.5 inches by 55 inches roughly. I don't know if that's exact, that's just going off the measurements that I've got so far. Oh yeah, I have started to write down each emotion that I feel each day and rate them on a scale, and then whatever is the highest I will do the next day, because I noticed that I was sometimes picking up on more than one intense feeling each day. So yeah, I started to rate them so that I could get just one, because there were some days where I was like, I need to put 2 moods for that day. So yeah, that's just a way for me to recognize which one was the most intense. Yeah, so rating them, you can kind of see I started to do that there. But yeah, I think that's all for now, and I will show you my template on my iPad. So here's a better look at the template that I've drawn up. It is going to be 18 flowers down by 20 flowers across. I actually need to mark those days off. But yeah, so you can see I've got February, March, April, May, June, blah 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 throughout the whole year, and then January next year over there. But yeah. So it's going to be a decent sized blanket. It's not going to be too huge, which I'm kind of upset about. I wanted it to be really big, but now that I'm filming it on TikTok, it's going to be, I don't like, once it gets, you know, over in the middle, I don't know how I'm going to film it. But yeah, so that's how it's looking. If you want to draw up your own, this is a good idea on how to do it. The list of moods with colours has grown quite a bit, so I thought I'd update you guys on all the colours because there's so many more now. So we've got yellow is happy, orange is frustrated, red is angry, light pink is anxious or nervous, dark pink is excited, warm purple is sick or disgust, cool purple is tense, if I've like had headaches all day or uncomfortable. Light purple is confused, blue is sad, blue-grey is tired, light blue is calm, aqua is proud or motivated or productive, teal is neutral, green overjoyed, light green energized, and grey is extreme low. So yeah, there's the list there. So if you want to screenshot so that you have the same list, but obviously you can change it and do whatever colours you'd like. But yeah, that's just some things that I've added because I was missing some colours from my list, and I was obviously missing out on a lot of moods that I was noticing. So yeah, that is all I need to update you on about the mood flower blanket. I am so happy with it. Here we go. Oh, and I'm weaving the ends as I go, which makes it a lot easier, and I worked out that I timed myself actually, and it takes me 8 minutes, or I think less than that actually, because I'm filming as well. Okay, it takes me less than 8 minutes to make a flower each day, and that is including weaving in the ends. So yeah, yay! Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box below for all of the links to my TikTok, to our Etsy shop, and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!